it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, the grocery haul, then you will know that the format of my videos has changed for 2020. As you can see outside, it's a bit of a blizzard. It's New Year's Eve today while I'm filming, and tonight we're having a few people over. So since I'm making my new favorite queso dip, I thought that I would just make it on camera, show you guys how to make it. I know the holidays are over by the time you're watching this, but I don't think you should ever stop eating fun party food throughout the year. One more quick thing, for those of you who are doing veganuary or who are wanting to make more plant-based meals in 2020, myself and a bunch of other vegan creators teamed up and we bundled together our ebooks. So there's over 60 ebooks in the bundle. Normally it would be over $1,200 for the whole thing, but we are selling it for $50. We just all kind of teamed up to get more exposure, so we're all promoting each other. So it's kind of good for us, but it's really good for you guys because you get this super discounted deal on all of these amazing ebooks. You get like hundreds and hundreds of recipes. My saucy ebook is in it. So I'll put the link below, definitely check it out. It's only on sale until January 8th, and then after that, it's not happening. So make sure you do it if you want to get your hands on any of the ebooks. But yeah, that is everything I have to say for now, so let's get into the recipe. This recipe is a potato and cashew based cheese sauce. You can do all cashews if you don't want to use potatoes, or you can do all potato like veggie if you don't want to use cashews, or if you're allergic to cashews. It works both ways, but this just has a mixture because I find that this has like the ultimate best texture. This is a special day because since it's so close to Christmas, I still have some mashed potatoes left over from Christmas dinner that I'm gonna use, as well as some cooked and mashed squash from Greg's mom. So I don't actually need to chop and boil potato and carrot. You mix that cheesy dip with salsa. And then the last thing that I like to do for this is to add some sort of vegan beef. I have Beyond Meat here, then you put that in there as well. It's super easy. The first step is to add everything into your blender. If you have a Vitamix, use it. If you don't have one, you might want to soak your cashews first. But since I have a Vitamix, I don't ever soak my nuts. So you can add in your almond milk, or if you want it to be even more creamy and luxurious, you can use coconut milk. And then you also want to put in your cooked potato and squash or carrots. I like both squash and carrots. The squash makes it a little bit sweet, which I don't mind actually. But if you want it to be a bit more neutral, then definitely use carrots. Cashews. Like I said, if you want it to be nut-free, just replace the half cup of cashews with another half cup of like carrots or potatoes. Then we're adding in nutritional yeast. That's for the cheesiness. Lemon juice for tanginess, and then some garlic powder. You can do, or sorry, onion powder. Onion powder. You can do garlic powder if you like, and a half teaspoon of salt. And then you just want to blend it up until smooth. The next thing you have to do after cooking the meat, whatever kind of meat you use, is assemble it. So this stuff tastes amazing on its own, and if you want to just have like nacho cheese sauce, this is the thing to use. But we're not doing that. So you want to get a casserole dish or just like an oven safe dish, and then you want to add in your cheese sauce. The only bad thing about blenders is like you can't get everything out that's in it. Then you have to crack open your salsa. This jar of salsa is 430 mils. I think salsas come in a lot of different size and shape jars, but you basically want half of this. So you want about a cup of salsa, about 250 mils, but I just eyeball half of this jar. Oops, sorry, keep hitting it. And then last, you want to add in the meat. I don't do a full package normally, but if you want it like super meat heavy, you definitely can. But I probably do about half a package, and then I just save the rest to use in like pasta or something like that. Then you just stir it up. This is so good. So I made this originally for Christmas Eve and I brought it to Greg's house, and his dad, who I don't think was just saying this, I think he was being truthful, said that it was better than any queso he's ever had. And so we had to make it again for New Year's Eve. Okay, so that's literally it. Then all you have to do is put it in the oven at 350 for about like 10 to 15 minutes. You want the top to look set, but it doesn't need to be like browning or anything like that. You basically just want it warm, and as it heats up, it will get a little bit thicker. So that's what we're looking for. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this dip so much. It's like the perfect consistency. I underbaked it slightly. I just did it for 10 minutes because I'm gonna reheat it again tonight when we have our people over, but and it'll like keep thickening and stuff, so I underbaked it slightly. Usually I don't even like chunky salsa, but I like the chunks in this. Make sure you guys check out the vegan bundle. It's actually an amazing deal. Like, some people's ebooks are close to $40 on their own. So the fact that they agreed to have them in this bundle is crazy, but they all have the same goal, and that's just to show people how delicious plant-based food can be. So go check it out. The link is below. That's all I have to say for today. If you guys like the new style of video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them below. Oh, also, if you have any recipe requests, leave them below. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. But today, wait, should I tell them like it's New Year's Eve? Yeah, I should.
Snowstorm.
So today, when everyone else is telling you to eat salad, make some queso dip. I feel like it looks so pretty with the snow in the background.
Yes.
It's like Canada aesthetic.
Canada.